Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a stock that could see some upside potential in 2022 and beyond. Now, before we do, just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So guys, we're going to dive into it. I'm talking about Hemp Inc, ticker symbol HEMP, trading on the OTC market. I talked about this stock a lot last year, and ran up about, I think it was a little over 1,000% overall for the year. After the crash, it went down to basically almost zero or at zero, and got as high as about 4 cents. So it's actually a lot more than 1,000%. But took profits on it, got back in. Now I'm in for the longer term, and just buying a few shares here and there. I say a few shares, throwing a few bucks here and there, but getting a lot of shares at those prices. So it's super cheap right now. And we're going to talk a little bit about what hemp is, what they do. This article is going to be linked in the description below. I highly encourage all of you to go read more about it. I'm going to talk about the different divisions, but they're going to go into detail more on this article about what the divisions are. And then I'm going to go over this article. We'll look at the charts. I'll tell you my plan, and we'll move forward. So, what is Hemp Inc? With a deep-rooted social and environmental mission at its core, Hemp Inc. seeks to build business consistency of American small hemp farmer, the American veteran, and other groups experiencing the ever-increasing disparity between tapering income and soaring expenses. The company is on a mission to be a powerful engine for social change and economic revival worldwide by providing hemp products that are eco-friendly, sustainable, and healthy. Hemp Inc. Hemp Inc. executives believe there can be tangible benefits reaped from adhering to a corporate social responsibility plan. So, in layman's terms, an easy way to understand, Hemp Inc. is basically a product that focuses on industrial hemp, the industrial hemp market, okay, which is going to continuously grow over the next several years, in my opinion. And basically, these are the divisions that they focus on here. Okay, it's Division 1, Industrial Hemp Infrastructure. Division 2, Industrial Hemp Farming Infrastructure. Division 3, the Hemp Pre-roll Blending Infrastructure. 4, Hemp Educational Infrastructure. 5, Marketing Infrastructure. 6, Accessories, Products, and Services. 7, Research and Development. 8, Industrial Hemp Investments and Joint Ventures. 9, Industrial Hemp Consulting. And then 10, Educational Entertainment. So we're going to go through this article. It talks a little bit about smokable hemp, but then it's kind of lengthy. It has a lot of different information that we're going to talk about, and then we'll look at the charts. Okay, so it says today Hemp Inc., one of the global leaders in the industrial hemp industry, reports on the smokable hemp market and how some states in 2021 legislature may continue to shape the market in 2022. While it's no secret that smokable hemp offers tremendous promise and lucrative opportunities for farmers, manufacturers, and retailers, many state lawmakers across the country continue to interfere with hemp's legal status even after the 2018 Farm Bill. Smokable hemp has been a target for opposing lawmakers, yet it continues to thrive year over year. Laws governing it continue to be all over the map, as the news source cited. Unnecessary, disjointed regulations have yielded volatile and unwarranted constraints on hemp flower's market potential. It's been argued that smokable hemp and cannabis are too identical, making it too easy for cannabis growers to avoid the law in states where it's legal. Yes, hemp is federally legal, but dried hemp flower remains illegal to produce and sell in many states such as Iowa, Idaho, and Kentucky. And they penalize people who want to smoke hemp for cannabinoids like CBD, including those using smokable hemp to kick their tobacco cigarette habit. Other states, such as Colorado and Vermont, do not have any restrictions on smokable hemp. Let's take the gander at the states in alphabetical order that had fresh legislation and legal attention in 2021 to see how it may shape the market. So first up is Indiana. So I'm probably just going to kind of go through the states that that had legislation, and maybe try to find some key points. I don't think I'll read through the entire thing. It's pretty lengthy. So Indiana is one. And let's see, so as of recap, in 2019, a group of hemp and CBD companies sued the state in wake of the Senate Enrolled Act 516, and then plaintiffs argue that the state had no right to make it unlawful as the 2018 Farm Bill legalized hemp production. So, leaving smoking hemp at a standstill in the state. So that's still kind of at a standstill there. But the states are kind of starting to take action against their government that's saying, hey, it's illegal to do that. Well, if you have a farm bill to where you can produce it, then why can't you sell it? If you can produce it, what are you going to do with it? you know. Let's see, California. This year, California legislators were considering banning smokable hemp through 2 bills. And let's see, however, in early September, the U.S. Hemp Roundtable agreed with California Governor Gavin Newsom to remove the smokable hemp provision, leaving the market open. Massachusetts, New York. Let's see, New York's Cannabis Control Board approved the state's new hemp program rules in early November. And again, this is pretty lengthy, so you're going to want to go ahead and read through this. Tennessee, Texas, Wyoming, and so those are just some that are kind of in the news as far as legislation for hemp. Okay, so this industry here, guys, this is a growing industry, and it's kind of along with cannabis is there's going to be a lot of pushback for a lot of different reasons, but as legislation starts happening, as things start, the walls kind of start coming down, this company is going to benefit tremendously. Okay, this company is going to reap a lot of the benefits. A lot of their products now, guys, they're doing a guerrilla marketing campaign where they're going all over the country, and almost every week they get a new store where they're selling their products at. They're having their own stores, King of Hemp stores, where they're giving entrepreneurs the chance to get their own retail location and sell some of their hemp products. So like right now, they're in basically in transition to the revenue phase of their business. And they also have the largest hemp processing facility, I think in North Carolina. I think is where it's located. So when people grow hemp and they need it processed, they have a place to go and generate revenue that way when farmers go and try to process it into products and stuff like that. So a lot of benefits of hemp. You need to do some research on it and take a look at it more in detail. But anyway, enough of that rant. Let's look at the charts and let's see what they're telling us. All right, guys, taking a look at Hemp Inc, ticker symbol HEMP. So it looks like we're pretty much at the bottom of the current fib level on the 180-day 4-hour. We currently did get a buy signal, but that doesn't mean a whole lot because as you see here, we got a buy signal and we just came right back down. So we could start to just sort of consolidate on at this level here. And your first level of resistance is 0.003, then 0.004, 0.005, 0.006, so pretty much 7. Actually, this would be 0.005, 0.006, 7, 8, and then all the way at the very tip top is a penny. Okay, so in order to, in my opinion, for people to take this more serious, it's going to have to get to like 2, 3, 4, 5 cents and actually hold at that level, because we got all the way here. We were actually at all the way to about 4 cents at one point as it passed the fib level up. But as you see, we've just been on a steady decline ever since. So what I'm doing here at these levels, guys, I'm just accumulating when I can, right? So currently not a whole lot of shares in the company at this point, but I will be adding more throughout 2022. They're not one of my top stock picks for 2022 because I don't think we're going to see a crazy amount of movement yet in 2022. It would be nice if we did, but I'm not really expecting it. So I'm just I'm using it as an accumulation year, and every couple of months I'll come and buy some shares up. Currently at about 75,000 shares, and as long as they're this cheap, I can come in every month or every 2 months and throw a few $100s in and accumulate a large amount of shares. So anyway, guys, just want to provide you on hemp. I have not updated the channel on hemp in quite a while, so I wanted to provide a quick little update on it. Let me know your comments below. The article is going to be linked in the description below, so take a look at that. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.